Hello everybody, how are we all doing today? Hope all is well. So today I have a treat for you guys. Organic, homegrown garlic. These came straight from my mom's garden. Actually my dad started this first and she's continued the tradition. I must say she did a good job. She got all this from her garden. She just harvests it. But before we get into the process of how it comes from dirt to the bowl, here's a few health benefits that we believe garlic is good for. Miss Cynthia.
Hi everyone. So we believe that garlic, you could have like a lot of beneficial going on with this, which is not for, we're not saying we're a doctor or anything, but it's just like, natural stuff. You could use it for high blood pressure, cholesterol, immune system. There's a lot more. So if you guys want to try it, it's very, very beneficial. That's why we're doing it organic way.
There's a candy. Ooh. Open.
So from getting this, she bought this from the store, and then she put like each one bud of it inside of the dirt over here. You just plant it into the soil. You just dig a hole and you put it in there. And from this one, she got one of these. One of these come out like that. So all of this is from the one flake that you put in there. You get a whole bunch, and then this little thing is growing like that. So it's forming into a knot of garlic, like a whole thing you could get. You could see like the little one is going out there. So if you want to plant it from here, you could just break it apart and put it into the ground. So it's a yearly thing, but it takes 1 year to grow. And when you reap that, you have to take everything out and replant it every year. So that's it, guys. Enjoy the garlic, and I will let you speak to your host.
This is my second one. It's so fresh. Eva, you want to try it? Come on.
Is it good?
Kevin! Kevin, come try this fresh garlic.
Wait, but is it pepper? Is it gonna burn?
Open one for her. Ready? Fresh from Nani Garden. Huh? And not so big. Close it.
Okay.
Eat it. Let's see. Tell us how it tastes. Does it taste any different from the store? You want to try one? Get her one. This is a,
Can I try
it's the
one?
same. It doesn't taste fresher?
Nope, same.
All right, guys. I think it tastes so fresh. Thank you. Remember, she bought it from the store. From the store, she put it into the dirt. And about a year process, she harvests it. And it's so yummy. From store to the ground to your kitchen table. Until next time, thank you all for watching.